Set on 4 hectares of beautifully established grounds in the heart of Swannanoa, this exceptional lifestyle property is truly something special. Hi everyone, I'm Rhiannon Moss from Harcourt's Four Seasons, and it's my privilege to be showing you through 1136 Tram Road. Offering over 320 square metres of versatile family living, 2 master suites and exceptional outdoor entertaining, this is a home that truly delivers space, flexibility and lifestyle in equal measure. So let's go ahead and take a look around. The owners have truly cherished their time at this special property, but with their children now grown and moved on, they're ready to downsize and begin their next chapter. So call me today for more information or pop along to one of the scheduled open homes and I'll look forward to meeting you soon.